Municipal cops under attack. Why is there a push for the officers to be armed? More help on the way for displaced victims of the Jamaica National Children's Home. And one PNP poll shows governing Jamaica Labour Party in trouble.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman.
Thanks, Janella. During last week's state visit of Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta, a tourism agreement for direct flights between both countries. Well, that's now being bashed by Kenyan travel agents. I'll tell you why in the business day.
Yeah, so essentially they're crying foul. Now from Herman we go to Jordan Ford. What's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, Danielle Williams, the 2015 world champion in the sprint hurdles, so she'll be back in action tomorrow, but there's still no word from the J3s whether they'll go back on their word in terms of who they'll select for the women's sprint hurdles event at the IAAF World Championships. And the original deadline is just 4 days away. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thanks, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what are your views on the polls released by the two PNP presidential hopefuls, Dr. Peter Phillips and Peter Bunting.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.